sg underscore web underscore ALP and ASG. Here comes listeners. Inside the load balancer, we're creating a listener. 80 is a listener. HTTP protocol 80. It is gonna map with whom? Target group. Do we have a target group? No. Let's click on this to create a target group. Inside the target group, targets will be there. We are mapping to the EC2 instances. Name of the TG is ALB demo 80 TG. HTTP port 80, IPv4. Here is a health check. On top level directory of available EC2 instances, for every 10 seconds, for every 10 seconds, job will run. It will check for health threshold for 5. If it is unhealthy for 2 times, it is not reachable. The instance is going to be marked as a unhealthy. Status code 200 for next option. How many instances we have? 21 plus we have. How many are running? 2 are running. How many you want to map? 2 you want to map it. Why? To achieve high availability. 1 and 2. Select both. Click on include as pending. Create target group. While you're creating a target group, we are mapping the targets. Targets are nothing but EC2 instances. Before that, you did health check. Somebody should check health, then only they'll send the traffic to him. Now we have 3 BDMs. Let's say 2 are not feeling well. There are 4 students are waiting. Only 1 person will be handling it. The remaining 2 will not be handling them. Right? Same logic goes here. Click on create target group. These are the 2 instances. Name of the instances, port numbers, from which availability zones, what is the status, and you see health status is still, it is set to run. Here health check. HTTP protocol on top level directory. For every 10 seconds, job will run. Ping space that IP address. It will ping and test it. Instance 1 and instance 2. While you're creating load balancer, we created a listener. Inside the listener, target group. Inside the target group, targets. Inside, sorry, health check. Health checks are mapped to the target groups. Targets. 2 targets. We included 2 targets inside the target group. Now this target, I need to call inside the load balancer. Go back here, reload this page, and you see ALB demo 80 TG. Here is a summary. We are creating a load balancer whose name is this, and which is type of load balancer, internet facing, supportable IPv4, security group, VPC, availability zones, listeners, and routing. 80 is a listener. Here is a TG. Inside the TG, health check. Inside the TG, targets. Create load balancer. Weave load balancer. Load balancer is still provisioning. Inside the load balancer, you can see type of load balancer, DNS name, area card, and listeners, 1 listener, 1 TG, 1 rule. 1 listener, 1 TG, 1 rule. 1 TG has 2 instances. Security group, monitoring. Monitoring is nothing but a CloudWatch. This is a CloudWatch. Every 5 minutes monitoring will be doing it. Still it is provisioning. 2 instances. In real time, unique content, same content. In our example, different content. Quantity I'm showing.